Nothing ever works.
Nothing.
You think you're trying to... It's
It was
morally wrong.
cold,
It was
really.
morally wrong to put a lump of cheese like that on a pizza.
And instead of spreading it out and making it nice and like equal all over. Hey guys, it's time for another Italian holiday video. There's going to be so many videos on our channel after this Italian holiday.
But they're all going to be high
School starts
quality.
again.
What's this video going to be about? First, Charlie's quite keen on pizza.
And we had a lot of pizza over the last 2 interrails.
So we're
like a lot. So
hello.
So we thought, since we're in the home of pizza, which is Italy, we thought why not compare the 3 cities that we're going to and see which does the best pizza, which is Bologna, which we're going to do right now.
Bologna is famous for being
Very like ragu,
good cook,
the fake bolognese story,
and just being like the heart of good cooking in Italy.
and like a very nice city. And you've got Rome, which is the capital.
Rome's the capital. Got to try that.
And then Napoli or Naples, which is the home of pizza, so that's where pizza got invented, they say. So we're going to see if which one of these is best,
See what does the best pizza,
and see what if they could probably type in the comments if their answer was right in the comments below. Like the crust has to be medium size, because we don't like a very thin crust or like a very thick crust.
don't want a big
like,
bready crust, no.
Like we like in the middle. And what else was it?
How much generosity of topping? Got to be
Toppings.
good quality and generous topping.
So I mainly go for one topping, which is pepperoni or like salami. Show you when we get to the outside the pizza place.
See you then.
See you then. So I think it seems like that the 5-star rated pizza restaurant, I think it existed on that street. So now we found a place that's got 4.2, which is better than that.
4.6.
4.6.
4.6.
Though it is.
Yeah.
And that closes at 11. So here we are, guys. Let's see what it's like.
We can get in here.
Let's see, have a look. See the look.
The wood-fired oven over there.
Oh. So what?
Thoughts so far?
I like the restaurant. It's nice.
Nice local vibe to it.
It's like a vibrant colour.
Cheers. It's just cheese, just in one place. Cut it and spread it. You can cut the cheese and spread it.
I want it to have that look.
I've gone for courgette and aubergine.
I don't get why they've done your cheese like that, but mine's just like this.
It's the nature of how they're meant to do it.
I don't like it.
Verdict on your pizza?
Well, I did get the massive lump because we didn't read it.
We didn't read it properly. It was a burrata cheese.
But it's just a whole cheese.
It's a bit weird.
That's my honest reaction.
No, your reaction was more... I wasn't mad on the base itself was a bit chewy for my liking. About 10.
I'll give it like a 3 or 4.
I'm thinking 3, yeah.
3. The sauce was good and the nice salami was good.
3.5.
3.5.
Okay.
See you in Rome.
So we're in Rome now.
We're going to test Rome pizzas now.
Part 2 of our video on pizzas, and we're in Rome, capital of Italy.
I have a good feeling for this.
You have a good feeling for this?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the one here. We go here?
Where is it?
Here, right in front of you.
Pizzadella. And
Della
now we're
Madonna del Mondo.
And now we're here. This is the place we're going to be having pizza.
Try it or not? It's
Yeah.
quite small. Bought your pizza?
We have to be quite quick because they're playing constant copyright music. They're just doing it right now. It's good.
Oh, well, that's quite Jesus. Good?
I'll give it like a 9 out of 10.
Would you? Better than Bologna?
I think it's a bit. I don't even need to speak. I don't need to speak.
So good.
9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10.
So, guys,
What's your verdict?
9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10 for Pizza della Madonna.
Sorry, guys.
What made it so good?
Well, I liked how the crust was nice and stickiness. Had like a little gooey, like a feel, like the dough had a gooey feeling. It was nice and like soft to bite into.
It was quite crunchy, the dough. It wasn't chewy like last time.
Some parts were crunchy, some weren't.
Okay.
So,
They're quite generous with the toppings.
The toppings were good. What about your pizza?
I would more like a sort of 7 to 8 on that pizza. The dough was good, but it was a little bit bready for my liking. Toppings were generous. I'll give it 8. A bit 8.
Yeah. So we will see you in Napoli. Oh yeah, so hey guys, now we're in Naples. And today we're trying
part 3
and the last of them
of our pizza triptych.
And today we're doing the home of pizza. So this is where Nestle Pizza originated from.
Not literally this restaurant, one hastens to add.
No, but like this is the town. This town is where they invented it.
What variation of pizza? No, what variation of pizza am I going to go for in Naples? The margherita.
Why?
Because it's the classic pizza in the classic city. It was invented here for Queen Margherita, I believe.
Is it open though?
I don't know.
So down here?
Yeah.
So guys, we weren't going to go to that one, but
weird thing, queues for takeaway only, and
it was weird. So we decided to go from a 4.2 to a 4.9.
No, 4.6 was it? I can't remember.
It said 4.9. It was last night.
It's a Passione.
Isn't it?
No, it's not open there. So, nothing ever works.
Nothing.
You think you're trying to... That one's closed. Oh, it's better inside here. Grazie. Up here? Oh, it's cool in here.
Where we come back? You promise? Yes, we will.
So the pizza place we're going to go, the first one, it's just there, over there. Then we went over there across the road, which was shut, and now we've gone here. And now you're having a classic margherita in the classic town of pizza.
Pizza town.
And I've had salami, because I like salami.
Grazie. So what's your verdict?
My teeth.
It's quite wet.
It's got olive oil on.
It's quite wet, it's all sort of falling off. That's the verdict on the crust. On the pizza base.
I think this might be a 10 out of 10.
Is it?
Maybe.
Good. What do you give it out of 10?
Maybe not a 10 because it was a bit sloppy. That was perfect.
Perfect.
I think it might be Rome by 0.1.
I think I gave Rome a 7 or an 8. I think I'd give that 6.
What would?
No.
That was all 3 pizzas.
Bologna, Rome,
Bologna, Rome, Naples.
Naples.
So,
What's the verdict?
Bologna, dead last. Like like in hell level. That's how bad.
Okay.
Well, not okay. So
Bad choice, to be fair.
it was quiet.
We should have read the menu.
We should have written the menu, but like still, it just looks illegal to do that on a pizza. It just looks illegal, and it was like
And then Rome.
I would give it like I'll give it like a 9.5.
Right, Rome. What's your verdict? Still, it's Naples.
I think I might have to give Naples a 9.5 maybe. Because of the sloppiness.
So you edged Naples over Rome.
Yeah, I think like they're both the same, but
But you have to choose the winner. You choose Naples. Or
maybe
Rome. You seem to enjoy Rome more, if I remember.
me.
Yeah.
I think I had to go with my final answers to being number 1, Rome, number 2, Naples, number 3, Bologna.
I would
Do the same.
agree with that. Yeah.
Yes, so that's all 3 pizzas.
So, right.
See you
See
in
you at
the
the next pizza restaurant.
Or see you in the next holiday video, I guess.
Pizza restaurant.
Yeah, see you in the next video.